In today's fast-paced world, there are many different definitions of leadership, but at the heart of each of them is the capacity to make a difference. In engineering courses, students acquire the technical expertise to solve engineering problems. Our students think big. They see challenges as opportunities. They make history, break down barriers, question conventions, and change minds. They study the past to shape the future. They are bold, strategic thinkers who prepare themselves to take on the most profound challenges confronting society today. At the Hart Center, we believe in developing the whole engineer, helping students build broader skills and giving them the tools they need to influence diverse environments and pursue their ambitions. Our programs help young engineers develop the ability to articulate bold visions, chart new directions, and inspire their colleagues. We are serious about providing students with an educational experience that spans beyond the classroom and leads to the development of a well-rounded engineer. It is often asked, are leaders born, or can anyone develop into a great leader? At the Hart Center, we believe that while some people are born leaders, all students have the potential to gain leadership skills that produce powerful results. The Hart Center develops these highly sought-after skills through executive feedback and coaching. The Hart Center's engineering coaches will help students reach and surpass their potential and equip them for future success by designing a customized plan of action for leadership development. Early exposure to corporate leadership tools, customized development plans, and leadership coaching helps students build confidence and gain an understanding of how the process of becoming a professional engineer works. The Hart Center values leadership and professional development for technical students. With the Transition Program, the Hart Center hopes to place students on a journey to success in corporate America.
Well, the Transition Program is part of a larger effort where we've modeled our leadership development to look like how high potentials are developed in corporate America. The first year, the students are focusing on their own personal development. Second year, they're working on people leadership, so their ability to lead and influence others. And then in the third year, they're focused on leaving a legacy here. And then in the fourth year is the Strategic Transition Program.
With more than 200 student organizations at SMU, we're sure to have something that fits just right for every student.
All of the student organization leaders come together and they learn from the Hart Center to try and figure out how to better lead the organizations.
The student organizations are just testing ground for leaders. The Hart Center is a super advisor to all of those 20 organizations. Our goals are to work personally with those leaders to help them look at the opportunity that they have to really build a strong organization on campus and to build an organization that will leave a strong legacy.
Back in 2008 when I was a freshman, I joined ACM. We started with around 6 active members. Since then we've grown 700% and now have over 50 active members.
The partnerships in the Engineering Leadership Mentoring Program connect students to professionals that align with their career interests. The program ensures an engaging relationship with professionals who have industry and civic experience and who are willing to share their expert perspective.
The Hart Center for Engineering Leadership elected to start a mentoring program. We have a phenomenal resource in the number of businesses that are operating here, and it would be a folly not to take advantage of that.
Every year, SMU engineering students are invited to meet employers from a wide range of industries that offer co-ops, internships, and full-time technical positions.
So Engineering Connections, it is actually the Hart Center for Engineering Leadership. It's our technology career fair, and we invite all of our engineering students to come. And they really like the format because it's a lot smaller, because it is only open to engineering students.
I've attended Engineering Connections on multiple occasions. They have various companies that come out recruiting SMU students for all technical majors, and it's a really great opportunity to look for internship opportunities as well as full-time job offers.
I think that because of the size of the Lyle School of Engineering, we have a bit more of a hands-on approach, and so we really do treat our students in a executive coaching format, so we're able to work with them and really meet them where they are, walk them through the process of looking for a co-op walk them through the process of what do you do when you have multiple offers?
I've actually had 3 co-ops. I've worked at Hunt Oil Company in downtown Dallas. I've worked at Lockheed Martin Aeronautics in Fort Worth, and I did a 15-week internship at NASA.
One of the big focuses within the Lyle School of Engineering is making sure that all of our engineering students have an opportunity and are prepared to gain work experience through either internships or co-ops.
The Hart Center hopes to develop critical leadership skills such as ethics, public speaking, and adaptability. This year, the Hart Center hosted a debate questioning the appropriate response to the BP oil leak.
The purpose of the debate and getting that started spoke to a couple of key goals that we had with the Hart Center. Those goals being, one, we wanted to get in front of students. We wanted to get them in a way that was productive and active and got them involved, and also demonstrated to them what it means and what it looks like to be a professional. The debate format turned out to be a fantastic format in that we could reach up to 500 or 600 students at any given time. By design, the debate program invited a very diverse group of people. Yes, predominantly it was engineering students, but we had people from the Cox School of Business, we had people from Meadow School of the Arts, we had people from the business community, and we had faculty and staff also from each of those schools. And so intentionally it was intended to be diverse so that it would model a diverse work environment.
The Hart Center is tasked with cultivating undergraduate leadership skills through special events. Engineering in the City is a combination of community service events and guest speakers.
Here I went to Engineering in the City, which is an event that the engineering school holds on for all incoming classmen to volunteer and participate in Dallas.
Engineering in the City is a great way for engineers of various disciplines to come together and give back to the community. We've participated in various community service projects throughout the greater Dallas area, and it's great to foster friendships and relationships with those who may not be in the same major with you, as well as the directors, the deans, and other professors within the engineering department.
Within the Lyle School of Engineering, there's so many opportunities to get that development so that the student is more confident when they go out and when they're seeking employment.
It's a really great opportunity to network with industry leaders, so it's really great to have that connection with industry professionals.